Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. You won't believe this. You won't definitely believe this. Okay, look, guys, my guys, a full traditional healer. So yesterday she was celebrating her birthday. Ne? So njengoba celebrating birthday yakhe, she announced ukuthi yena, I think 740. So she announced ukuthi yena, she announced ukuthi yena, she's now a traditional healer. She's been on this twisting journey for 15 years. And guys, I'm also shocked. But I'm keeping my faith. So yesterday we were celebrating birthday yakhe. All her friends were there. Angazi nabantu abaziyo and stuff. Abatshela ijeni yakhe. But I once saw this post athi yena amadlozi wakhe yena awatsheli abantu bangaphandle indaba. Batshela yena indaba zakhe. So she won't expect any traditional healer ize izomtshela ukuthi Kelly Khumalo this and this and this kusho amadlozi wakho. But guys, it's kanjani because lo muntu okuthwasisile must know amadlozi wakho communicate nalo muntu okuthwasisile. Sizatha amadlozi kanti spiritual husband. And like guys, she's not even seeking justice for umntanakhe, baba umntanakhe, guys. Hey, this is out soon, guys. We wish her well. Thank you for watching.